guys, I'm sharing some cute Halloween stamps today, new from Darcie's Heart and Home, and also new from Rabbit Hole Designs. So here's some samples. I have a sample board for the Darcie stamps, and I thought these were so cute. There's this background stamp that is adorable, where you can add your little images on the front. I think that's so cute. And then this one here, we've got cute cats, and then lots of sentiments that go along with these images, really cute. And then let me flip this one sideways. Sorry I can't fit into the frame here, but this adorable cat with a mask, and it says, "Wait, my mask has to wear a mask? Have a happy Halloween anyway." So I'll share those stamps and coordinating tin pins. And then we'll do Rabbit Hole Designs. So here's that background stamp. So it's got the silhouette of the trick-or-treaters. It's called In the Moonlight. And we've got Scary Halloween. So this one's got the two cats. This one's got the mask. There's a little trick-or-treat. And then the coordinating tin pin for that one. This one is called Joyful Frights. Really super cute. I love this one. She's darling. And then with the little fox over the little pumpkin there, there's a bird and another trick-or-treat pail. Wishing you joyful frights and a bag full of delights, and wishing you a cute Halloween. And then the coordinating tin pins. Then we've got the Hocus Pocus. So this one's really cute. This one's got a sign that you can stamp out your sentiments in. Fright Night. It's all just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. I put a spell on you. Have a magical night of make-believe. And then the coordinating tin pins for that one. So fun release. The links will be down below for that. And then from the Rabbit Hole Designs, we've got their Halloween release. And this one here, let's see, is called Spellcaster Witch. So this is their 4x6 stamp set. And we've got the witch, and she's got all her goodies here. The cauldron, these bubbles. Those bubbles would be fun to color in. And these little potion bottles too. Witch's Brew will cast spells for candy. Hocus Pocus, spellbound. Good friends are great. Best friends are wicked. And then there's 3 smaller sets here. And this one is the Cocktail Witch. Just a little bit wicked and drink up witches. So that's great for invitations. And great to send to your gal pals. And then we've got Country Witch. She's got a country outfit on and her witch's hat. She's got cowboy boots. And then there's a cactus. There's a skull, another cactus, and this little kitty on top of the skull. And then we've got Boo Y'all and Never Mind the Witch, Beware of the Cat. And this is the Bicycle Witch. So she's on her bike. She's got a cat in the basket, a pumpkin on the back. There's bats that could be following her, and then little paw prints. We've got Salem Bicycle Society, and brooms are for amateurs. So that's fun. And I do have a new release today for my digital stamps, so check that out. I will have the link down below. I'll have a new video up soon with some coloring for you. And I'll talk to you guys real soon. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye, everyone.